Welcome to Mathematics for All by Neomath. Today we are going to discuss Class 9 Mathematics Chapter 1 Number System Exercise 1.5 Question number 4. Represent square root of 9.3 on the number line. We already discussed locating square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5 on the number line. Okay, so today we are going to discuss locating square root of 9.3 on the number line. Let's see how we plot square root of 9.3 on a number line. First, you have to draw a line segment AB of length 9.3 units. So we need a ruler, 9.3 units. So I'm taking centimeter side. So from here, nine point three. Units. Yes. So AB is equal to 9.3 units. AB 9.3 units. From B, mark a distance of 1 unit horizontally, not vertically, horizontally. 1 unit. So from B, this is the point B. First I draw a line, then mark 1 unit. Mark a distance of 1 unit horizontally and mark this point as C. Got it? So AB is 9.3 units, BC is 1 unit. Now AC is 10.3 units. Next, find the midpoint of AC, not AB, AC by drawing perpendicular bisector. What do you mean by perpendicular bisector? It is a line that cuts a line segment connecting two points exactly in half at 90 degree, isn't it? So it divides AC into two equal parts, isn't it? Let's see the steps to find the perpendicular bisector of 2 points. Now you have to take the compass, place the compass at one end of the line segment. One end of the line segment, A. Adjust the compass to slightly longer than half the line segment. Slightly longer than half a line segment. See, AC, it is slightly longer than half the line segment, isn't it? Yes. Now you have to draw arcs above and below the line segment. Got it? So keeping the same compass width, draw arcs from other end of line. Yes. Now you have to draw a line segment by joining these 2 points. Yes, done. So mark the midpoint of AC as O. Okay. So AC equal to, see, AC equal to AB plus BC. Am I correct? Yes. So OA equal to AC by 2, isn't it? So what is AC? AC is 9.3 plus 1, which is equal to 10.3. So OA equal to 10.3 by 2, which is 5.15 units. This is OA. OA is equal to, OB is equal to 5.15. Draw a semicircle of radius OC with center O. OC, yes, OC, yes. Now you have to draw a line perpendicular at B. So place the protractor and mark 90 degree. Place the protractor and mark 90 degree. And join these 2 points. Now join OD. So this point is D, where the semicircle and the joint intersects. Now join OD. Yes. Now OBD is a right triangle. We find out the length of BD by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So using Pythagoras theorem, we are going to find out the length of the OD. Now we are going to find out the length of OD using Pythagoras theorem. So in right triangle OBD, OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. So we have to find out BD square. So OD square minus OB square. So OD is 5.15 plus OD is the radius of the semicircle. So 5.15. So we already calculated the radius of the semicircle here, isn't it? Here. And OB is OC is 5.15 and BC is 1 unit. So 5.15 minus 1 is 4.15, isn't it? So 4.15 plus 1, we get 5.15. So OD is 5.15 minus OB is 4.15 the whole square. So BD square equal to, this is in the form of A square minus B square. So you can use the identity A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So 5.15 plus 4.15 into 5.15 minus 4.15. So we get 9.3 into 5.15 minus 4.15, we get 1. So 9.3. This is BD square. So what about BD? So BD is equal to square root of 9.3. Got it? Yes. 9.3. So the length of BD is 9.3 units. 9.3 units. Now keep the compass on point B and take length AD. Cut an arc on the number line. Yes. Now we extend this line. Let call this point E. Now BD is equal to BE equal to square root of 9.3, since BD and BE are radii of the same circle. Square root of 9.3 units. So BD equal to BE equal to square root of 9.3 units. Hope it is clear. Thank you, children.